Happy Monday, everyone. It is my joy and honor being here with you this morning. This is a recap of Monday morning with my students and with Alpha Fibonacci system and software in front of you. So when I logged to the trading room this morning, David reporting 10 pip on Euro CHF short. This is absolute David's preference of what David is trading. Brett trading entirely different instrument, 2.25 points, very aggressive. Let's take a look at that trade. This is sell-off prior to the market open with the software for NinjaTrader 8 projected on 3-minute chart. Short with precise entry, stop and target reaches reversal zone. We're discussing with my students pre-market there is only one option to monitor for long. Market open, price in brutal chop, and we're discussing with my students why to the tick. Price skyrocketing. Again, I'm projecting software on multiple charts. Trade played out on multiple different charts. But as you can see, traders trading completely different instruments. As David says, I love what I learned about price action, but I haven't even updated the software. David probably trading on MT5. I don't even know the platform David is in. Brett using software. But as Brett then sharing during the morning, hey, another trade on Forex, NZD CAT. Identical rules, completely different instrument. So when we're reviewing with students Forex, so let's recap what played out as we were looking at Euro. Since last year, when Euro started reversing zone, this was the only problem, the only obstacle on Euro before Euro skyrocketed to drastically higher level. So as you're looking on Euro to the tick, this is the events in the trading room, price at this level, and price is struggling immensely to break through this level. Let me take you back to day before, Sunday, where bullish rally started from. Ultimate bottom, ultimate low and reversal zone, and you know this days in advance. And when I convert this chart to 5, to 3, to any chart you choose to trade, this is a market this morning. This was the chop, this was a trading range for over an hour until bullish rally skyrocketed. Identical event on Euro. As David sharing, he trades. Identical event on Bitcoin, identical event on Tesla, on Amazon, on every single instrument. In the trading room, you're witnessing the power of the software and system in the live markets. What you're witnessing in front of you on Euro right now absolutely does not require the software. And you can trade this on all instruments, all time frames. And when Ken stops by with entirely different instrument, he is trading crypto. Phenomenal work, breathtaking by our global community of traders. But every trader different account, every trader different background. And those are our discussions this morning. And that's a key. And that's a core. And we're discussing so much more. So when you obey the rules and you decide to trade Amazon, of course you can. It's identical event on Amazon this morning as on every single chart on S&P, and you knew this months in advance. So when I bring to your attention Amazon in the months of December, this was Amazon before bullish rally skyrocketed. And you knew this months in advance. There is no safe haven in Amazon. Amazon collapsed almost 70%. You're buying the bottom. So day trading not for you, use system long term. But if you love to day trade, it's identical price action, it's identical event. S&P reached the bottom before market open, skyrocketed from this level. As you can see, traders share and know. Ken keeps adding to crypto. I have no idea what this instrument is, but Ken knows price action remains the same. No software on crypto, software on futures. for Ninja Trader 8. Software showing you precise entry, stop, and targets. You buying the bottom, you selling the top. Multi-market scanner available to you. You pay attention to your charts. Rules are met, you take a trade. Scanner giving you alert, enjoy. Right institutional power. So if you understand the importance of pure price for entry and proprietary Fibonacci for exits, the sky's the limit. And you can day and position trade. And you can trade Tesla, Apple, and you can trade pound and euro, any instrument, any time frame, all platforms, or with software for Ninja Trader 8. So when you come to the website, please view movie Ken made about Fibonacci Trading Institute. You can always sign up on the pop-up for the trading room and understand this is lifetime system, all platforms, all instruments, or software for Ninja Trader 8. Hundreds of videos of prior live recorded classes available to you 24/7. And if you like to come to live classes, of course you can, but it's never a requirement. Trading room, video library, modules included. System traded globally since 2011 by traders from beginner to hedge fund manager. So when you view students' performance in emails I received, I look forward to receiving email from you. So please review and understand this trader just like you, who is trading options, forex, futures, from beginner to hedge fund manager. All time frames, all backgrounds, all platforms, all levels of traders. Simply choose the option appropriate for you. 4 options available. You can also listen to students' podcasts with students' reviews. So if you choose the option appropriate for you, Option 1 and 3 for all platforms, Option 3 private mentoring, Option 1 group course. Option 2, the most desirable option, includes Lifetime Software Ninja 8 and Lifetime System on platforms. Savings $5,000, savings $4,000. Private mentoring savings $7,000, private mentoring savings $8,000. Always include group course video library modules. Any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you traders so much for spectacular day. I look forward to seeing you in classes. Hope you're joining us soon. Do not hesitate to call or email me anytime.